What is up, everybody? This is Lyle, No Hippie Barbecue, and what I'm coming at you with today is another giveaway. This giveaway is sponsored by Sabauce Marinade, and if you've been with my channel a while, you've seen me cook with this, and this right here is an excellent marinade. I'm gonna leave a link to where you can buy this, or just take a look at what their site's all about in the description below. Now, what we're gonna be doing is giving away 2 bottles of this, and 2 bottles goes pretty far on this. You can probably get about 2 cooks or 3, maybe smaller cooks knocked out with this bottle. We're going to be picking 2 winners for this giveaway. Unfortunately, this is going to have to be limited to the United States, so for everybody else around the world, I do apologize for that. To get entered in this giveaway, all that you need to do is leave a comment in the comment section. I won't be replying to anything, and like I said, we're going to be picking 2 people, so the first 2 people that I pick will get this sent out to them. As far as the flavor profile goes on this, it's kind of hard for me to put my finger on, but what I will do is leave a few of the recipes that I did using this marinade in the iCard above, just so you can kind of see what I've done with this. I've made everything from kebabs to rice pilaf with it. So I'd like to thank you guys for being part of the No Hippie Barbecue family. I do appreciate it. Go ahead, get in this, run by their website, and see some of the other things that other people have made with this. Anyway, hope you guys have a good weekend. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.